Hi, my name's Glory and my business is Hamper My Style. I sell gift hampers that have luxury homemade products in them. I just wanted to give a review for Kate and the recipe for SEO Success. I just wanted to say how wonderful it was. It totally exceeded my expectations. I was expecting one of those courses where I would just go next, next, next. But the fact that I could go into each individual video, get resources, download tools, then talk to Kate in a call after each of those modules was absolutely outstanding. The fact that she's always there, it's not just here you go, here's my course, see you later. That was absolutely unbelievable. The things that I've learnt from this course, I don't think I would have learned any other way, only because the questions that I had that were specific to my business were answered by Kate. And the fact that the community helped as well. The people that I've met along the way that are on the same journey as me made me feel less stupid, and I just feel so much more smarter now because of this course. The fact that I can always refer back to it as well. I can jump in at any time. I can go back to and implement the things that I need to implement. That's always updated. That's just outstanding. And being an e-commerce store, having the SEO for e-commerce has totally helped me create my e-commerce website the way it really should be. I've still got a lot of work to do and it's an ongoing thing, but I just know that Kate will always be there in any group that I'm in, and we will be able to literally virtually hold my hand all the way. There's one thing that absolutely stood out for me, and that's the fact that Kate says things in a non-jargon way, and she will repeat it until you understand. It's like you're watching her video and she's talking it back to me, making sure that I do understand. Thank you, Kate. Thank you for the invaluable lessons that you've taught me and will keep teaching me. I will be an ongoing follower of yours forever. Thanks again.